Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I've teamed up with My First Wig and they sent over this beautiful 10-inch kinky straight bob. Now this one gives housewife, rich wife, you can be a single lady, a baddie. I mean, it just gives like old money, expensive taste. I feel like I should have a red lip on with this one. I feel like I should definitely be driving like a Bentley Bentayga, Rolls Royce, a Cullinan, something, very much something. It's giving like country club wife, if you will. Either way you put it, I love it. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this one. Super simple and easy and straight out of the box. And I just feel like she is a vibe and a moment. Now I did go ahead and add my own little baby hair touch to the front. Definitely you could skip on that one if it's not your preference, but I wanted to give like boss, but make it still me. And if the baby hair is not you, you can definitely X-nay on that. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Okay, love bugs, let's get right into it. I'm in my husband's robe, so forgive me if it's a little large. This is the packaging for My First Wig, and I'll show you the details and everything that was included towards the end of the video. But this here is, of course, the star of the show. Today we're going for a kinky 10-inch bob. It has pre-cut lace, extra deep plucked hairline, and the knots are nicely bleached. This one here is the new 3D fitted glueless wig. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. This one requires no glue and no baby hairs needed. Pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled. Invisible air lace in its HD Swiss lace. No shedding, no tangling, and it is a long lifespan. So you got an earful there on the specs. This is what she looks like on straight out of the box. It's definitely giving African-American texture in a bob form. Get a look at that hairline and how melted and just seamless it is straight out of the box. Imagine when you actually put a little effort, it's gonna be fire. So this one is gonna be literally like a 5-minute install. Super simple and easy. I love a good 10-inch bob because it's the perfect length to kind of like sit right above the shoulder and kind of like sweep it or kiss it. Very, very, very sexy, very mature, very, very gorgeous. It gives you a nice regal godly look, if you will. So I'm going to start off with the dynamic duo. We are keeping this as a bust down middle part. I'm going to secure my edges with some Bedeck Beauty Edge Control, and this is just going to push them back, lay them down, and get them out of the way. Here I'm showing you guys the hair in a side part. The lace is flawless, literally from ear to ear, so you can definitely move the parting over should you choose. Now that I showed you, you can part it in different ways. I'm going to go in with the electric hot comb on the high heat setting. We already added the wax, so now I'm just going in with the hot comb on a very high heat setting to really go in there and press it out. This does a great job at laying everything down, relaxing everything, and getting the hairline as well as the parting super flat. From there, I went ahead and melted the hairline. Today, I did use the Bed Head Hard Head Hairspray. This is simply an extra hold hairspray. Nothing more, nothing less. The bonus with this is that when you lay it down and it dries, it does have a tacky texture. So essentially, it'll work as a temporary like glue, except it's not a glue. So it's still glueless, but again, you get that flawless hairline. Now, this is a step that you definitely could and should skip, but you know, I'ma just be me. I did add a little bit of baby hair, and again, this is something that you can skip. You can see how flawless the hairline is without it, but I just wanted to add my own little touch, you know? So I did trim it down, and I did keep it fairly long, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Bedeck Beauty Edge Control and just swoop in until I get my desired look. Now for one of the final, or maybe the second to last steps, I did go ahead and press the hair. This one is nice and full, and it gives like a really good sleek bob, so I do recommend going in and parting it. You don't gotta be petty and do like super small sections. This is like a kinky texture, so of course it's gonna have a little bit of, you know, it's gonna do what African American hair typically would do, but you do want to get in there and give it that nice bump and smoothness, and I think I did a great job. So I think I did like 3 rolls on each side plus the dynamic duo over top, and it gave me the perfect look. Now I did finish here because this robe is kind of hot and heavy and it was already time to go to dance. I did go back in after dance and kind of like bump it a little bit tighter, but this was the look that I had at the moment, and I really love the way it looks with the hair behind the ears. I think it's super cute. For the last step, we're gonna go in and just tint the lace. Ruby Kisses is that girl. I believe I did 15 in the parting and maybe 16, yeah, 16 along the hairline, and it was the perfect match.
Let me show you guys the packaging. So this one is from My First Wig, and I already showed you guys the box. And inside we did get a couple of stuff. For starters, we did get the dust bag that says My First Wig, has a really nice logo. We also got the info card, which has like your order number and all of your wig information. For mine, it's a 10-inch kinky bob, Malaysian origin, 1 to 2 year lifespan, natural color, size 1 cap. She's a 13x6 wig and 130% density. Take that. She also comes with a pack of brown wig cap, and then you get this reusable pouch that is like double-sided, and inside you get 2 of your alligator clips in the color black. Then you also get I was gonna say a SpongeBob, what? This is a rat tail comb. Okay, love bugs, after the outro, I went ahead and did a little bit more of a bump to it, and I love the way it came out. Wore this one out and got so many compliments. Now I'm about to go and make boss dinner. Now I'm about to go make dinner like a boss. We're having lasagna soup tonight, so I'm gonna be like a housewife, like Black Stepford Wives, if you will. Let me know what you guys think. I'll have her linked in the description box. Don't forget to check her out on your way out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.